Okay, so this video has taken like 3 days to make, only because I've been waiting on pieces of my pig pen to come in. I got the fencing, then the pigs, now I got my shade cloth. So I'm gonna show you guys putting this thing together for the most part. And really, you can put a pig pen, I'm gonna call it like the urban pig pen. He keeps like licking my leg. You can put it together in like 15 minutes. I mean, it's that simple to do. I'm getting ready to show you the setup I'm doing. This is the first time I've ever used this type of setup. I usually just have a stationary pen that I can't move. It's actually right over there, and I used it for like the last 5 or 6 years. It's completely destroyed now. The maintenance is beyond repair, so I'm going to go with this system this year, try it out, and bring you guys along with me throughout the season, raising these 3 little piglets in the pen I'm about to show you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do like it and you find it helpful, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Really do appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy. What's up, everybody? I'm going to make a quick video. I have to set up my pig pen because I got pigs coming over anytime now. It's like Monday evening. The sun's going down. It's getting dark quick. So I'm going to take my camera over here, show you guys setting up the Premier1. I'm not going to set up the pig wire. I'll show you it right here because I'm doing something a little different for right now. There's the pig. It's shorter. So I'm setting up the poultry wire that's taller. I think this is actually a 42 inch. I was supposed to get the 48 inch, but not a big deal. We're going to use a 42 inch because we're using it for pigs. The reason why I'm not going to show the hog electric fence wire right now is because I'm going to put the new baby piglets inside my sheep pen, my acre lot right here, only because I don't have a shelter that I want to use with the pigs yet, so there's no shade where I want to stick them permanently. So I'm going to put them up underneath the shade tree over here. And I don't want to use the little wire because the goat or the sheep and the Jesse will jump over it and get in there and make a mess. So I'm going to use the bigger stuff to keep them out and keep the pigs in. So I'll bring you guys along with me. Dang, Joe caught me working. That's pretty rare. That's not really rare out here because that's all I do is work. We doing, Joe?
I don't believe that. He's never doing anything when I come by.
Yeah. Well, I won't tell you when he comes by, so we'll leave that one alone. All right, so Joe, my buddy Joe, you don't know him. I don't know if you've ever been on channel before.
I don't think so.
So Joe's never been on channel before. Tell Joe hi. Everyone go tell Joe hi in the comment section. But he has come across 4 little baby piglets. What kind were they, Joe?
Half York, half Tamworth.
Half Yorkshire and half Tamworth.
Yes.
Now I've raised Yorkshire, a full blood one. My niece raised one out here before, and the meat was pretty good. So I can't wait to try this out. Look at them little guys. So what we're gonna do is if my sheep will be quiet, I'm telling you, I want to eat them all. We're just gonna put them right here because you guys seen I'm building my pen. So we're just gonna stick them right in here. If you guys didn't know, Joe is an Oklahoma Highway Patrol just like Daniel. And have you came across Daniel yet while you've been working?
Yeah, I've seen him a few times.
So Daniel's kind of a big deal in the Highway Patrolman. Yeah, right. Joe's actually seen him a few times, but from what I understand, Daniel kind of just brushed Joe off because Daniel's got in like a few more years than Joe. You know how that a little bit more seniority, they kind of shame you a little bit. Nah. But yeah, Joe's been raising pigs for several years now. Just like I have, you pen raise them.
Yeah.
So pretty much exactly how I do it.
Yeah, just the same. I just don't have mine on an automatic feeder. I just feed them twice a day instead of on an automatic.
And that's the thing. Joe's not as lazy as me, so Joe actually walk out there and feed them like he should. I put him on an automatic feeder. And Gabby won't leave them ones alone over there. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here and go fix that fence I'm trying to put up. And if Jesse will leave it alone, he keeps licking it and jumping in it and stuff. Joe, Jesse's getting pretty big, ain't he?
Yeah, he's ready to eat.
Oh, I'm ready to eat him right now. He keeps tearing down the fence and jumping over it. Hey, did you see Daniel's video today at all?
I haven't watched anything today. I've been hooked up all day.
He's been pretty busy today. He's been working, you've been off.
Well, off on my second job and then running kids around and getting pigs.
Raising kids and getting pigs,
yeah.
That's what's up. But Daniel's video today, actually happened yesterday, his big cow heifer he's got, it ran right through the new fence he built.
Oh, goodness.
Almost ran him over. All right, guys, I'm gonna put these pigs up. So I will show you guys more of this tomorrow when the daylight comes out. I just had to get this up because Joe was coming over today, right now, to bring me the pigs. So that's what I'm doing now. What's up, everybody? It's day 2. You can actually see now. It got dark on me last night whenever I was trying to show you guys put the pin up. The reason why I was doing that in the dark is because I wasn't expecting the pigs so quick. But my buddy Joe got a really good deal on some, hit me up and said, hey Dutch, you want some baby pigs? Because he knew I've been waiting to get them for whenever I got my fencing. Hold on a second. So Joe got shot. Joe knew I was waiting on to get pigs this year for whenever I got my pig pen built. I was gonna build a really good pig pen this year, but I talked to Premier1 Joe, another Joe from over there, Joe Putman. And he hooked me up with a bunch of this netting, and you can actually hear it clicking. So it's actually doing its job really well. I'll show you the baby pigs. I'm gonna throw some feed in there for them. I'll show you guys, they're doing really good. They've got shocked several times, but they're learning the fence, and I'll show y'all, and we'll come back and we're gonna go build another pig pen. Okay, so you're to the point in the video where I'm trying to catch the piglets to put in the back of my truck to take over to their pen I got over by my garden. So let's see if I can catch them. I got my little trusty catfish net, and they're pretty little, so let's see what happens. Get back. All right, the pigs are out here. The fence is electrified. I got the shedding, I got the water. I'm gonna go get some feed. I'm gonna let the pigs in here and let you guys watch them run around, and I'm gonna go get some feed and come back. Get back, Gabs. Okay, we're done. Got the pig pen set up. I'll do a quick walk around for you guys, give you a quick rundown, and I'm gonna get off here. Hope you guys found this to be helpful in some way. This is like the ultimate urban setup. Even though I live in the country, you can definitely set this up in your backyard, no problem. And I'll be making videos on how to keep the stench down. Not right now because I haven't got any stench yet, but our house is north of the pen, so that's one way. The south wind's blowing this way, away from the house. That's your number one way to keep the stench down. And I'll make a video on there's several different ways you could do that, and I'll make a video later on that. But let me give you a quick tour of the little piggy homestead here. Hope you guys like it. Okay, I got the Premier1 hog netting up. It's only like 24 inches. It's a hog net 1024 by 12. Igloo doghouse in there for the little piglets. They're small enough to get in there to use that. That's also a Premier1 trough. Not necessarily a pig trough, but I'm gonna see if it's small enough for them to use for right now. I got my automatic feeder over there. I'm not gonna use that. Just got it in there for now. We'll use it later on. And I got some netting I got off Amazon to make some shade for them, because as you can see, there's no trees over here for shade, and they have to have shade. And I went ahead and put these two T-posts on the inside for a reason. I did that because pigs like to rub their belly and their back on things, and there's nothing in here really to rub on besides the doghouse and maybe that. They might knock that over later, so I'll be securing that later on. But right now they can use these T-posts to rub their backs and stuff on if they want to. And if they get bigger, they start pushing those over, I can just drive them down deeper in the ground. Everything's gonna work out great. Okay, I'm doing a little voice over here. After talking to Joe from Premier1 Fencing, I had concerns with this holding water right here in this spot, the fence getting underwater and shortening it out. So I talked to him and he said, yes, it will most definitely short it out. This is my first go around with this kind of netting fencing. So what I'm going to do is move the pen back off this little low spot and put it on some high ground where I know it's not going to get flooded at. So I'll be doing that later. Not in this video, but I'll be moving that here just after I get done with this video editing it. I put some paracord on there. That stuff ain't ripping. Only thing that's gonna rip is gonna be this. So if we'll fight that battle when it comes. But as of right now, it's gonna hold up just fine. And this is like 15 by 35, I think. It's 100-foot netting, so you can figure that up. So you can see right there, there's the ultimate urban setup for pigs. Literally, you can set this whole system up 15, 20 minutes top. This stuff is so easy to put together. T-post easy to put down on the ground. Where I live, maybe not where you live, but where I live, 15, 20 minutes, you can have a pig pen set up and ready to start raising your own bacon. If you guys are interested in this Premier1 fencing, I don't get paid to promote this. They did give me some netting to try out for them. So far, I love it. I have not used the pig netting until today. We'll see how that goes. But if you want to check this out, there will be links down below to the Premier1 fencing. So guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like I said earlier, share it and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you would, right there, I think. Thanks for watching, guys, or it might be over there.